Hi, I'm Peter from Coffee Parts, and today we're looking at the Timemore Fish Pure kit. This kit is the ultimate kit, everything you need to make filter coffee at home. Great gift, great for yourself, and it really does have everything. So you've got the pour over kettle, being the gooseneck, and it does come with a thermometer that to use, you can just pull the lid of the kettle up, open it up, and just move the thermometer and put it in. Now, having the thermometer in the lid of the gooseneck kettle really does allow you to be able to control that temperature when you're pouring. So just say you don't have perfectly controlled temperature for your hot water at home, so a kettle that doesn't have temperature control, you can pour it in, mix in a bit of cold water if you need, and get it at that right temperature. So you've got the gooseneck kettle, you've got the proprietary Timemore dripper, the crystal eye, and the filter papers to go with it. You got the server that you can run into, and you got the C2 hand grinder, which we've featured on other videos to grind your coffee. The C2 is running 38mm conical stainless steel blades, stainless steel shaft, and aluminium outer body. It's all very neatly finished, and you can dial in the grinder on the bottom here. It's got a metal plate and it's got 12 dials or 12 notches in. Generally, you'll bring it into the finer settings, then dial back. For pour over, generally around notch 15. So with the whole kit, you really can slow down and have black filter coffee at home at any time. It's something that looks good on the counter, and it's just easy and convenient to use. Impressive when friends are over, something you can talk about the different temperatures, the different grind settings, or just enjoy that moment of quiet coffee. When you do run out of filter papers, they're readily available, whether it's the Timemore brand or any other brand, like the Harrier V60 filter papers will fit perfectly in. So all you need to do is keep buying coffee and filter papers. Easy. Thank you for watching this quick video on the Timemore Fish Pure pour over kit. Let me know in the comments below if there's any questions you have on any of the bits on this kit, and all these items can be purchased individually as well. One last thing, as usual, hit that subscribe button. Thank you.